got slime in her hair. We have to go take it off. By the way, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Oh my god. This is my doll, Emily. Let's put hot water. It's heating up. Okay, let's put soap and mix the parts that she has slime in. Okay. Now we're gonna wash it off. Some conditioner too. See, when I mix it all up. Now we're gonna let it sit there for a while. Rinse. Now we're drying it. We got it out. And look at this. And by the way, guys, this also works on real hair if you ever like get slime inside of it. So yeah, you just have to like put a lot of conditioner and soap, and I think you'll be good. But if you have short hair, you can put like a little bit, and yeah. Alright guys, but that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.